Here's why. These dictators were no friends of America. Let me give you an example in Egypt, where people now say, well, this stuff didn't happen when Mubarak was there. No, it happened, but in a different way. Let me tell you the deal Mubarak and other dictatorial leaders in the regions cut with extremists. Here's the deal they cut with extremists. As long as you don't do anything against us, you can do anything you want anywhere in the world. Conduct all the terrorism you want. Attack Americans, blow up a train in Spain, do whatever you want. Just don't do it here. If you do it in your country, if you do it in our country, we'll cut your head off. If you do it somewhere else, that's not our business. That's the deal these dictators cut with extremists. And it's not a coincidence that there were Egyptians involved in the 9/11 plot. And these were not Egyptians that came from poor families. They came from prominent and distinguished families in Egypt. Which leads me to the second point. These dictators allow anti-Americanism. Because imagine if you lived in a dictatorial country